Right, this is for all the plasma boys. Well, you know, amateur. Anyway, my idea, and I always share my ideas, these are new ones, these are old ones. New, old, old. I got a habit of keeping stuff. Not only that, you know, they're copper, so you can actually melt them down, but it blows an hole through there like massively, massive. So my idea, let me tell you my idea. What I bought was this stuff. I got loads of them. Loads and loads, and there you go. New ones are about 15 quid. Because you get this, you get these, which you don't particularly want. Alright, you want these, but they last twice as long as the tip. And you want a little, they last forever if you look after them. I don't know if this will work, but it's worth a try, you know. — 24 hours later. Well, it feels hard. Gotta be honest, it does feel hard. So we're going to drill an hole through there now. Well, it works. I'm not going to say they're going to last for 10 years, but you know, if they last for one job, we're on a winner. We're on a winner. Going once, going twice.